Some new developments in a case of a flight attendant accused of placing a hidden camera in the bathroom of a Boston-bound flight. In a new court filing, attorneys for American Airlines appear to be shifting the blame here to one of the younger victims. But as Alicia Palumbo reports, the airline is now reversing course.
You probably remember the photo, a cell phone taped to an airplane toilet seat cover discovered by a 14-year-old girl on a Boston-bound flight in September 2023. 37-year-old flight attendant Estes Thompson III of Charlotte, North Carolina, was arrested in January after federal authorities allegedly found videos on his phone with similar airplane bathroom recordings of victims who were 14, 11, 9, and 7. On Monday in federal court in Boston, he pleaded not guilty to charges of sexual exploitation and possession of images of child sex abuse. In a court filing this week in a civil lawsuit brought by the parents of a 9-year-old victim in Texas, attorneys for American Airlines appear to be blaming the victim. They said the harm to the child was caused by her own fault and negligence and by her use of the compromised lavatory, which she knew or should have known contained a visible and illuminated recording device. That girl's mother fired back, saying, instead of taking responsibility for this awful event, American Airlines is actually blaming our daughter for being filmed. How in good conscience could they even make such a suggestion? It both shocks and angers us. American Airlines has no shame. Late this morning, the airline sent us a statement saying, in part, our outside legal counsel retained with our insurance company made an error in this filing. The included defense is not representative of our airline, and we have directed it to be amended this morning. We do not believe this child is at fault, and we take the allegations involving a former team member very seriously. Thompson continues to be held without bail on that criminal case out of federal court in Boston. At Logan Airport, Alicia Palumbo, NBC 10 Boston.